Good morning, you all, respected teachers who are associated with us through Botany for You, an online platform for the students of life sciences. Respected guest speakers of today's session, Mr. Siddesh Savardekar sir, IFS and Deputy Conservator of Forest, Bhamragad, Gadchiroli, Mr. Dinesh L. Shirodkar sir, Botanist, Botanical Survey of India, Western Regional Center, Pune, Mr. Shilananda Hivrale sir, Assistant Professor in Botany, Vinayak Vidyan Mahavidyalay, Nangaon, Khandeshwar, District Amravati. Our founder members of this online platform, Dr. Nishikant Vase from Virginia, US, Dr. Nitin Labhane from Andheri West, Mumbai, Dr. Tushar Wankhede from Amravati, Dr. Deepak Koche from Akola, my friend and officiating personality, Conservation Research and Nature Education Society, Cranes, Gadchiroli, Dr. Amit Setia, Biodiversity and Conservation Program Manager, all my strong supporters all over the nation, friends and members of National Teachers Organization in Life Sciences from all parts of the country, and my dear students. Myself, Dr. Pitambar Humne, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, founder of Botany for You and coordinator of this today's workshop, 2 days national workshop for the student of life sciences. Welcomes you all. Friends, you know very well our mission is to empower students to be achievers and responsible, committed individuals with human values so that they can become asset to family, nation and the world. I am here in front of you third time for introductory remark. The first program organized through our online platform Botany for You was 3 days national workshop on career opportunities and personality development for the students of life sciences from 25th May to 27th May 2020. And the second was 1-day lecture series on career opportunities in life sciences on 11th June 2020. All the details of earlier programs are available on our Telegram group Botany for You as well as YouTube channel. Anyone can go through it on the group anytime. It means that if you have not attended earlier programs, then also you can watch the videos. The links are given on our Telegram platform. Today, this online platform having physical registration through Google Form over 6,000 and the participants on Telegram group are over 4,400. Today, we are going to organize this national workshop and it's our third program since its creation of this platform. I already told in my first introductory talk that the students who are registered and are joined on the Telegram group need not leave the group so that every time you will automatically come to know the schedule of upcoming lectures. As there are more than 5,000 career opportunities in the world and we will try to provide the information of every possible from it for our students of life sciences through this online platform Botany for You. In my earlier talk, I already conveyed to you regarding the future plans and activities. If anyone would like to know the details, he or she can go through the videos earlier uploaded on our YouTube channel Botany for You. As per our today's schedule, the first lecture will be delivered by Mr. Siddesh Savardekar sir, IFS and Deputy Conservator of Forest, Bhamragad, Gadchiroli, on career opportunities in Indian Forest Services. The second lecture will be delivered by Dinesh L. Shirodkar sir, Botanist, Botanical Survey of India, Western Regional Center, Pune, on career opportunities in Botanical Survey of India. Dr. Nitin Labhane, Associate Professor in Botany, Bhavans College, Andheri West, Mumbai, will be delivering his lecture on various examinations, its patterns and requirements to study abroad. And the fourth one lecture by Mr. Shilananda Hivrale sir, Assistant Professor in Botany, Vinayak Vidyan Mahavidyalay, Nangaon, Khandeshwar, District Amravati, on tricks to crack CSIR UGC NET in life sciences. It's our honor to have such dynamic, supportive, renowned personalities with us on this online platform, Botany for You. In coming months, July and August, we are planning for Big One workshops for the students of life sciences. That is more than 3 days each. We will try our best to provide workshop in July on CSIR UGC NET and SET or SLET preparation in life sciences, and in August on entrepreneurship development in life sciences. The probable dates will be soon announced through our social media like our YouTube channel, Facebook page, etc. Friends, I am very much confident and hopeful that every lecture organized on this online platform Botany for You will help you to guide you during your education and career. An event like this comes to fruition only because of continuous efforts by the team members and guest speakers, supporters, etc. Since many days so that it can take a shape of its grand success. Hence, I feel you all must appreciate your guest faculty who is taking effort for you through this online platform by giving comments, like, share and subscription to YouTube channel of our online platform Botany for You. I am hopeful you will always support and cooperate the team of Botany for You so that we will be continuously in a position to take effort for you through this online platform. This subscription will also help you to alarm in upcoming events in difficult time of technical errors in coming future. So friends, keep associated with this platform and put your efforts in addition of members in it so that the maximum members of students all over the nation can take the advantage of this online platform. Keep watching all the lectures in this 2 days national workshop for the students of life sciences. Wish you all the best for your bright future. Thank you very much, you all.